Hey there, Mr. Leon Kalma here. So, in this video, I'm going to teach you one strategy that you can use to pass your mathematics exams. This strategy hasn't been taught anywhere else, yeah? So with me here is Mathematics Paper 2. Mathematics Paper 2 papers for 2019. So, many of us, we wonder why we don't do well in our exams. Because we don't know what to do. Many people think that passing an exam is just going into an exam and just writing down answers. That's not how it works. Passing an exam is you have to be strategic. You have to know what you're doing. Yeah, you don't have to do what the majority are doing. And in this video, I want to show you what should you do. So, as you know, mathematics has two papers. There's paper 1 where you're not allowed to use a calculator, and that's 23 questions. I'll talk about that in the next video on how you can answer paper 1 questions and how you can finish on time. But today I'm going to focus on paper 2. Paper 2 is 2 hours 30 minutes here. So let me share with you a short story. In 2018, I taught a man. This man was very intelligent. He was rewriting math. In his grade 12 exams, he got a 5. A 5 is a credit. So he was applying for a scholarship to further his studies, and the scholarship board needed a distinction. That's why he was rewriting. This man was very bright. Yeah, he did a computer. He has a degree in computer science. Yeah, so he's very good with computers and math. In my tests, he would get 100% all the time. He'd get 100%. And then I knew that this man is going to get a distinction. I knew from the get-go that as he's going to write his exam, he's going to get a distinction. Surprisingly, this didn't happen. Check this. When he was writing his mathematics paper 2, I always tell my students, get a wristwatch. You can get a wristwatch. This will help you as you are in an exam. It will help you tell time. Yeah, many people rely on that wall clock that you find in the exam. Don't do that. Smart people have a wristwatch. Yeah, so he didn't do that. And then I always tell my students, when you're answering mathematics paper 2, start with section B. Start with section B. So he did that. And mathematics paper 2 is 2 hours 30 minutes. So guess this. He had no watch. He had nothing. So he's seated there. He's starting with the graphs, because section B, you're given about 6 to 7 questions, and you're supposed to answer 4. And each question is 12 marks. So because you have to start with section B. So he started with section B. He answered. Guess what? You know how invigilators usually remind us about the time. We have 1 hour remaining. 2 hours elapsed. He's still in section B. That marks the end of his rewriting, because you haven't even answered section A. Section A will take more than an hour. So if you're going to rewrite and going to pass very smartly, you have to be conversant with your time. Get a wristwatch. Yeah, start with section B. Section B, you should only at least take an hour. So what I'm advising you as you're preparing for your July or September exams, and this is July, I'm advising you to start timing yourself. Start timing yourself. So let's suppose you know cubic graphs, and that's a topic that comes every year. Can you answer that topic in 15 minutes? Some people, if even answering standard deviation, they will take 30 minutes. A student like that should know that they're in danger, because 15 minutes is needed to answer one question. Yeah, that's you. You can be bright, you can be smart, but if you're poor and pathetic in managing your time, passing an exam will be very difficult. It will be very difficult. You have to know how to manage your time. So start timing yourself. As you are solving right now, time yourself. How long does it take for you to solve an equation? A quadratic formula, how long does it take for you? You have to know that. If you don't know that, it will be very hard for you to pass your exams. So, as I was talking about my man that spent 2 hours in section B, guess what? His exams results are out. GCE 2018, he gets a 9. He gets a 9. From a 6 to a 9. That's what poor management of time will do to you. You can be bright, passing tests right now, but if you're very poor at managing your time, passing will be very, very hard for you. Get a wristwatch. Time yourself. How long does it take for you to plot a statistic graph? How long does it take for you to answer trigonometry, linear programming? How long? Matrices. How long does it take for you? Do that. You should take at least 2 minutes. A minute. Train. This is a period for you to train. It's not the period for you to solve like you're relaxing. Train yourself. That's how you're going to pass your exams. Train yourself, yeah? So this is Mr. Leon Kauma. I hope that has helped. We're talking about time management. Section B, time yourself as you are solving, yeah? I hope that has been helpful. Look out for more videos because we're heading towards our exams. I need to give you strategies that will help you pass your exams. Last time we talked about exam fear. Now we're talking about how do you handle an actual paper? How do you handle an actual exam paper? And this will be helpful, yeah? So God bless you. I'm looking forward to see you succeed this year. This year is different from you. This year is different for you, yeah? So take care. God bless you.